Hey guys, I'm showing you this SANBEN 16.4ft LED neo light strip. So as you can see, this is different design. So this have a music, Bluetooth app, and different colors with the rope. But this one is the 10 feet around design, or the length of this rope comes in two different length, and I got this 10 feet length. This is the receiver, like the adding all these accessories like the charging plug, it is 240-volt, manual, the screen, the rope itself, and then extra fuse. So as you can see, this is rope build LED, so that you can use the way you want to. So LEDs are inside it, so it will not harm. This is the connector thing, and the other side is all packed. You can use two connector, like two um, ropes with one adapter. So I'm just putting this adapter just to show you. You see, you can control manually through this attach button, and the light function, and this is really bright. All the different colors are here. So this light can be used for bedroom, kitchen, TV, party, and this is IP65 waterproof light with a colorful strips. And this will be the sensor. And you can use this rope the way you want, is very flexible. So this also have the timing function that can close, and as I mentioned, it's a waterproof, and yeah, use like the way you want. So these are the hooks that comes with it. You can use these hooks on the wall, like putting this screws and everything, and then this rope can be fitted in this hook, and you can make any character, the word or design that you want to make. So as you can see that the rope from the other side need to go inside like this, and then the bright light will come up like that. So you can use it the way you want. So say like if I want to make a design like this, so I can just put it and tie it. We can also use the double tape, or you can use it like this way, or whatever the design you want to make with it. And then there are different colors, so you can make your own color designs, your own things, so that will be really nice design. And there is a remote as well, and you can use this remote to control all the lights functions, so that make it much more better. So this is a RGB colorful neon light strip. So you have seen all these functions and everything. So I will show you the app. So this can be controlled by using this app, and app is also very helpful. You can scan this code. So I'm just showing you this app, how I can control this. I will open it, and here is the light. So you just say notifications, everything, and then you can control all the functions from this app. And the good thing is that you can have a music sync. So I will show a little bit bigger clip on that, so that you can hear that as well. And that's a very nice function that, you know, it will sync with the music, the light and designs. So say this is the happy birthday music, and then this with the remote you can sync it, or you can use the app to sync it with the different styles of the light to sync it with the music. See, like the all different type of music and the lights are syncing with it. So I will say this is a very nice thing, a fun thing that you can use, and it can be used anywhere in your room, kitchen, party, or anywhere you want. And this will give a very nice light effect. You can put it on the wall, ceiling, or the ground, or wherever you want it to be. And then it can also sync with the music. So it will create a very nice environment for your party as well. Hope you like this lights and the music sync and all these functions. If you have any questions, you can ask us, or you can try this product, and hope you will also have the fun with it.